Hey everybody, it's Feasible Tax, and today I'm doing a video on what it means to double lock handcuffs and what the spike on the back of handcuff keys are for. So, when you have handcuffs, they just spin freely. You put your wrist in, and you sink it down, and it'll just keep going. Like if someone sits on it, and that can be dangerous. That can cut off circulation. It can really hurt the person. So there's a way to make sure that doesn't happen. So let's just say you put your handcuffs on somebody. There's a little dimple right in the back of the cuffs. You press it down with the spike on the back of the cuff key. And now the handcuffs are called double locked. So on this side, still spins freely. This side, however, will not. It won't go any further down. And that's just a safety measure. And to undo that, you twist the key clockwise to undo the double lock, and then counterclockwise to unlock the cuff. So, just a quick video explaining what it means to double lock cuffs and what the spike on the key is for. I hope you guys found this little video educational. If you liked it, maybe like the video. Maybe subscribe to my channel if you want to see more stuff. Gun reviews, equipment reviews, all kinds of stuff. Basically whatever I want. I get bored. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.